Hey there, welcome to Leap, where you learn once and remember forever. For those who are watching Leap videos for the first time, I am Deepika, a mathematics educator based in Melbourne, who tries to make math AEAP, as easy as possible. Let's get into the video. In this video, we'll have a look at a special pair of linear equations and the method to solve it. Let's look into the equations. As you can see, I have marked both the equations as equation 1 and equation 2 for easy reference. So, as you see, the coefficient of x in the first equation is 99, whereas the coefficient of y in equation 2 is 99. Similarly, you can see the coefficient of y in equation 1 is 101, whereas the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 101. This is the reason why these type of equations are called equations with interchanging coefficients. So there is a specific way in which these equations can be solved to find the value of x and y. So if you try solving using substitution method or elimination method, it can be quite taxing and lengthy. So let's see how to solve these type of equations. The very first step that you will do is adding both the equations. So adding 1 and 2. So you add the x terms together, y terms together, and then constants together. Now, when you add the x terms, you get 101 plus 99 gives me 200x plus again 101 plus 99 gives me 200y, and the constants add up to 1000. Now when I observe the numbers in the equation, I can see that all of them are divisible by 200. So I reduce this equation by dividing the entire equation by 200. So when I divide the entire equation by 200, I get x plus y, and I know that 200 times 5 is giving me 1000, so that's a 5. And I mark this equation as equation 3. The next step is to subtract both the equations. Now when I deal with subtraction, I just make sure that I don't get a negative term as my x. So in order to do that, I have to pick the equation which has the greatest coefficient for x. So that's the second equation, right? So I do equation 2 minus equation 1. So let's see. 101 minus 99x is going to give me 2x. And 99y minus 100y is going to give me negative 2y, because 101 is a greater number. So it's negative 2y equals 501 minus 499 will give me positive 2. Again, I can see that the entire equation is divisible by 2. So I divide the whole equation by 2. I get x minus y equals 1. That is my equation 4. So you can see how we have reduced the equations 1 and 2 to a much simpler versions, equations 3 and 4. Now, the next step is to solve these two simple equations. Solving equations 3 and 4. So when we try to solve equations 3 and 4, we can go with either substitution or elimination method. I usually prefer elimination method because that's easier. So x plus y equals 5, x minus y equals 1. Now, so you see that there is a positive y and a negative y, opposite sign. So I can just cancel them and add the rest of them together. So x plus x is giving me 2x equals 5 plus 1 gives me 6. So transposing 2 to the other side, it becomes 6 divided by 2, which gives me x equals 3. And I substitute them in either 3 or 4. I'm choosing 3 here. So my third equation is this. So 3 plus y equals 5. That gives me 5 minus 3, which is 2. So my solution is x equals 3 and y equals 2. That's my final answer. That's it. So this is how you solve a pair of linear equations with interchanging coefficients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful and it helped you understand the concept better. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want me to post any videos on a specific topic or a specific problem to be solved, then please post them in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to follow Leap to learn more and make math AEAP as easy as possible. Thank you.